Let's take a look at problem number 12 from the May 2016 release version of the Algebra 1 test. Let's go ahead and read it. It says that the table shows some ordered pairs that belong to a quadratic function h. Okay, so quadratic function has a graph that's a parabola, the U-shaped graph. And let's go ahead and look at our table values. So as we can see, the x is going up, so it goes from -4, -2, 0, 2, 3, 4, and 6. So x is increasing from left to right according to the table. And if we look at our corresponding y values, or h of x values, we see that it's going down here. So at 41 to 17 goes down. Okay, and then from 17 to 1, it goes down again. Okay, and then from 1 to -7, it continues to go down. And then -8 goes down once more. Okay, and then we get to -7, so it's gone back up to -7. Okay, and then to 1. Okay, so it's increasing from here. Okay, so because we see that going from left to right, that our y values are decreasing up to a point. So it looks like this is our vertex here, where it stops decreasing and then starts increasing on the other side of it. Okay, so looks like this is going to be our vertex, but okay, which would represent if this looks like the parabola is going to be decreasing, decreasing, and decreasing, and then it starts increasing. So it's a parabola that opens upwards. So this looks like our lowest point here. Looks like that's our vertex. So that's going to be our lowest y value. Y value are the range values. Okay, so that's the lowest y value that we have according to the table. And let's take a look at our answer options. Okay, so all real numbers. Okay, so we see that the range doesn't continue to go below -8. Okay, so we can't say that the range is all real numbers. Okay, so it doesn't go below -8. If it was all real numbers, our range would continue to go towards -infinity. Okay, but it starts increasing at this point. Okay, so we can rule out answer option F. Okay, so let's look at answer option G. All real numbers greater than or equal to -7. Okay, so we already have an example here of -8. Okay, so we can go ahead and rule that one out. Okay, so let's take look at the next option. All real numbers greater than or equal to -8. Okay, so these are all greater than -8 to the left of -8, and then over here these are greater than. So it's looking like answer choice H is the right one, but let's go ahead and read answer choice A. All real numbers greater than or equal to 0. Greater than or equal to 0. So this is greater than 0, greater than 0, greater than 0, but here is not greater than 0. Okay, so we have at least 3 examples here in our table that are not greater than 0. So we can rule out answer choice J, which leads us with answer choice H. Okay, so